Hi, in this video I will show you that how you can change the content of your WordPress or your site. For this you have to go to the dashboard of your WordPress. Okay, so you have to write in the URL section creativedesign.com slash project1 slash wp dash admin. Okay, after that you will successfully log into the dashboard of your WordPress website, and this is the dashboard of your website. And if you want to visit your website, simply hover over here and click on visit site link, and this is your website, and this is the front page of your website. Okay, so this is the header section of your website, logo menu or in the header section. This is the banner section, and this is the body section, and from here this is your footer section. This is complete your footer section. Okay, this is latest posts or news. This is your our services section, and this is your meet our team section. Okay, so let's start from the banner, that how you can change the content of your banner. For this you have to click on this menu or link edit with Elementor, open link in new tab, after clicking this link you can see the Elementor page. So you are now in your Elementor dashboard, from where you can edit the content of your website. Okay, so now if you want to change the content of this delivering part, just click on this pencil icon, and from here you can add the text whatever you want to add. And after making the change, don't forget to click on this update button. And if you want to change this content, you can simply write after this sustainable text. Okay, and if you want to add the content in your this solution side, okay, after solution just type the text. Okay, don't remove this. Okay, okay, so these two are the headings. Okay, and this is your paragraph text. Sorry, this is also the heading. Okay, when you click on this pencil icon you can see the name of your element, edit heading, edit heading, and edit heading. Okay, this is the name of the element, and when you click here, this is the button, and this is the element name edit button. Okay, so if you want to change the text of your button, simply write it over here. Okay, and if you want to change the link, you can just paste a new link And if you want to open your link in a new tab, click on this gear icon and check this box. Okay, so whenever someone click on this link or button, the link will be open in a new tab. Okay, so for here I am removing, and now I will show you that how you can change the content of this part. This is also the heading, and this is also the paragraph. Okay, so whenever you trying to change the content, just click in the text tab. Okay, there are two tabs, visual and text. So click here. Okay, and then add the content. You can see over here the text is changing. Okay, and this is again the button. Okay, and if you want to change the content of this line, you can again click on this pencil icon and change the content. Okay, and now here is the element of image. Again click on this edit image or this pencil icon. When you click on this pencil icon, the image element will open. So if you want to change the image of this element, click here, and this is your media library. Okay, so select the image which you want to insert in the media element, or if you want to upload a new image from your system or computer, you can upload it from here. Okay, select the image and click on open, and after clicking on open, the image will be uploaded into the media library, and after that you can select the image and insert it into the media. So now I will show you this our service section. Okay, so when you click on this pencil icon or this element, you can see that the name of this element is info box carousel. Okay, so if you want to change the text of this economic planning and management, you can change it from here. Okay, and if you want to change the image, you have to come in this icon tab and then click on the image and add a new image. Okay, similarly you can change the other tabs as well. Okay, and this is the one element, this is the second element, and this is the third element. Okay, so I will show you the more settings. So now the visible items are only 4 in each element. Okay, if I change the number, now the elements are showing, now only the 2 images are showing. Okay, so for the sake of layout, I will change the number. Okay, and now I will show you that how you can change the content of your media meet our team section. So there is 4 columns, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and in this column I have added 1 2 3 4 elements. Okay, so the number 1 is the image element, number 2 is the heading element, and the third one is the paragraph, and the fourth one is social icons. Okay, so if you want to change the image of this staff member, just click on this image and change the image and click on this insert media. Okay, and this is the heading, add a new text, or if you want to change the link, click on this, select this and paste a new link. Okay, and if you want to add the link to the social media profiles, you can just paste the link of your social media profile here. Okay, .com, like this. Okay, so you can add the other social media links as well. Okay, so when user come and he or she click on this image, he will be redirected to the next page. Okay, so now I will show you that how you can change the content of this page. Okay, so when you will click on this image or the heading, or on the heading, you will be redirected to this page, and after that click here, edit with Elementor. Elementor is basically a page builder tool by which you can change the content of your website or design the layout of your website. Okay, so when this page will open, you can just change the content of your site. Okay, please don't mess with this content is coming dynamically. Okay, you cannot see this content here. Okay, this is coming dynamically. And if you want to change the image of this section, simply click on this pencil icon and click on information tab. From here you can change the image, you can change the name and change the designation or job title. Okay, and here you can see the social profiles. You can select which social icon you want to show, and from here you can change the link. Okay, and also you can change the color, okay, of your icon, and that's it. Okay, and this is the simple one. Just come into text tab and change the content of your paragraph. Okay, and now this meet our team part is done. Now I will show you that how you can change or add a new post. For this you have to come to the dashboard again and click on all post. Here I will show you that how many posts are added. So here I just created 3 categories: e-learning center, featured insights, and news. These are the three categories. Okay, so you can add a new post from here and from here also. Okay, so just click on this add new button, and I am adding the heading post 1 sample, and after giving the name of the post I will select the category. Okay, and after that I will choose the featured image. Featured image is this image which is showing, or when someone click to the on the post, he will be redirected to single post page. This is called single post page. Okay, and this is the featured image. Okay, So you have to click on this featured image box, set featured image, select the picture. I am selecting this picture. Okay, and then you can add the dummy content. Okay, you don't have to add the content right now. Okay, you just have to give the heading name and featured image. Okay, after that just click on this publish button. After that click on edit with Elementor. As you click on edit with Elementor, you will be redirected to Elementor page builder or Elementor page. Just click on edit template. As you see that I just gave the name of post one sample to the post. Okay, post one sample. Okay, now the dummy content is coming, or the layout of the post or one page post is coming by default. Okay, so now I want to see this post. Just refresh this. This is the home page. Okay, I want to see that the image is coming or not. Okay, the post is coming. Okay, and I want to see that the text is coming in the post or not, because I am seeing the text here. Okay, and this is the dummy text. Okay, I want to remove this text and add a new text. For this I will remove this. You can simply delete or add a new text editor or text editor element. For adding text editor or a text editor element, you just have to click this 6 icons or 9 icons. Okay, and from here you can select the element text editor. You can also select the image if you want to add. Okay, and this is the dummy text is coming, and if you want to add a new text in this box, you can also add. Okay, and if you want to add a social profile link, you can add it here. Okay, and this is the new element icon list. You can also change the text from here. Okay, after making changes, you can delete this. You can update this post. Okay, sorry. So I am now deleting this post. You can simply click on this trash link. The post is now in trash folder, and if you want to restore, you can simply click on restore, or if you want to delete permanently, you can just click here delete permanently. Okay, okay, that's it for the video, and if you need any further help, feel free to ask.